Kcpe muthenya wa ira kuratirihire githomo kia 844 thukuru-ini cia muthingi guku bururi-ini. Githomo kia 844 kiambiririo mwaka-ini wa 1985 ona gutwika kiari na mihinga itiganite no thutha wa ihinda gukinyita thinga.
It comes to 844 was the best for our pupils.
Riri Arutwo marathiete na mbere kwamukira maumírira ma muthia ma 844. Aciari ni marutite mawoni matiganite megie kuninwo kwa githomo giki.
Yes, I am very annoyed because we are not going to sit for Kcpe again. 844 is now gone.
Fedman Lugahi augete kuninwo kwa 844 ni gugutuma arutwo magutare kuona gutiri koragwo na mashindano ta uria kwari hau kabere.
School that is in the urban area and a school that is in the remote area of Kenya like Turkana, if those learners are exposed to the CBC, who will benefit more? Yeah, the learners who are already in urban areas where there are resources, but the ones who are in the rural areas will be disadvantaged.
Catherine Muindini anyitete baru uge wa Lugahi akiuga githomo giki ni kirateithagiriria Arutwo kwirugamirira na o mundu kwirutira wira wake.
We are really for 844. CBC is just for those who are lazy. That is what I can say. CBC is for those who are lazy. 844 was the best.
Ona gukiri uguo, John Bosco uria ni mwarimu thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Kasinga augete githomo kieru kia CBC ni giguteithiriria Arutwo na njira nene hamwe na kunina mathina maria marari thiini wa 844.
Students are carrying too much content. Students are carrying too much literature books, too much compression books, too much 1, 2, 3, 4, depending on what the country can offer in terms of production and other things. So some and other shortcomings of the 844 system now calls for the competence-based system.
Girifotera Muthingi TV, Njitagwo Jerry Owadungu.